Assalamu alaikum. Today we will be creating this beautiful hoverboard in which when we move our cursor or hover over the screen, you can see how the color changes. You can add more colors to it. I have added I think 6 to 7 colors or maybe 8 colors. I will add only 7 to 8 colors. You can add more colors as well. Now let's start with index.html5 and create a div of class container. Inside the class of div of class container also add an id of container. And now just changing the title hoverboard. Now let's style our hoverboard. Give a box sizing of border box. Inside the body, give a background color of 111, blackish color, display of flex. Align and term center, justify content center, height should be 100 VH. Overflow should be hidden, margin should be 0. Now container display should be flex. Align item center, justify content center, flex wrap should be wrap. Max width should be 400 pixels. Now after that, I will take a square and give it a background color of #1D 1D 1D. Basically, giving a box sizing as well. You see, I did not created my dot square inside the HTML, but I will create it using in my script.js. Basically in JavaScript, giving a height and width as well, margin of 2 pixels, transition of 2 seconds is. Now for the square, if you hover over the square, we will give a transmission duration of 0 second. Now let's create the square basically. Const container document get element by id, basically taking the container. Const colors, now I will just add all the colors which I want. You can add more colors to it, you can even add 50 colors up to you basically, or 50 shades, whatever you want. I'll just add a couple of colors. Okay, I'm done with colors. Const squares 500. Now const get random color, creating an arrow function. Colors and math dot floor, math dot random, and multiply it with colors dot length. Now let's create a color set color basically, creating another arrow function. Const color equal to get random color, calling that function. Square dot style dot background should be color. Square dot style dot box shadow should be 002 pixel and color 0010 pixel and color. Now const remove color. Also, if you hover over it and if the mouse is not present on it, then after some time it should remove the color as well. Const squares dot style dot background 1D 1D 1D. Square dot style box shadow as well. Remove the box shadow 2 pixel 000. For let I equal to 0, I is less than squares, number of squares basically, I plus plus. Const square equal to document dot create element div. Now creating the div element, and square dot class list dot adding that div and of square which is style in my CSS. Square dot add even listener to it. Basically I am moving my mouse, so move mouse over and calling the function of set color. Square dot add event listener as I am moving my mouse and move mouse out. If I move the mouse out, then remove color. Container dot appending the square div basically, so square. Now revealing it, now you can see I have achieved what I wanted. I hope you like this project. If you like it, subscribe, like and share the video. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.